Oh my god. This is so good.
Allow me to introduce myself. Who knows what dastardly crime he might perpetrate next? He's a very clever arch criminal who must be put away. Another innocent victim of suicidal mania.
I want sisig. Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Mike. If you're new to this channel, I am a travel and food vlogger currently in the Philippines, exploring new destinations, exploring new cuisines and just trying Filipino food wherever I can. And today I want to go out and try the best sisig in Manila. And I found out about this small little food stands that's supposed to be here in Makati somewhere. I think it's called Sisig Street. I'm gonna have to venture out and find this place because it's not really properly on Google Maps and it's really supposed to be good. The sisig there is supposed to cost 50 pesos. It's a no bullshit sisig, traditional recipe, and I just gotta have it. Right now I'm staying at the Discovery Premier Hotel in Makati, which has been an awesome hotel. I'm actually unfortunately checking out today, but I have this huge, incredibly awesome luxury room, and they have this great restaurant on the rooftop where I had like a 5 or 6 course meal the other day. So awesome. I'm actually really sad to leave here today, but I need me the sisig. So let's go. You beautiful, beautiful, magnificent hotel room with all the awesomeness that we've been having here. It's time to head out. I think it's about a 10-minute walk, 10 or 12-minute walk to get to the Sisig Street place that I want to go to, and I'm hungry already. Thank you very much. The place I want to go to was a little bit further away than I expected, and now the weather is taking a turn to the worst. It's getting very windy and a few raindrops are falling down, and when it rains in Manila it pours, so I hope I'll get there and get the food in time before the storm breaks out. Alright guys, this is looking good. Okay, this is unexpected. There are like around 5 little food stalls directly here on the street. I'm not really sure which one is... Oh, there's another one over there. I'm not really sure which one is the right one. But it all smells really good. I think I'm gonna have to ask a local which one's best. Alright, so I asked and it's supposed to be this food stall. I'm standing in line. Hopefully they still have the sisig.
Sili wala. O, pengi akong dalawang walang sili muna. Bibig sa number 71.
Sisig, please.
How many? With rice? For takeout? For takeout?
Yes.
You want utensils?
Sorry? Thank you.
Utensils. The plates and the spoon. 65 po. Thank you. Yung tatlong sisig, walang rice. Okay, your number is there.
Thank you. Alright, so I've ordered my sisig with rice and some utensils to eat it. I'm taking it with me and I'm just gonna find the spot where I can sit down and eat it. And it costed 65 pesos, which is around $1 or €1 plus minus a few cents. It's really inexpensive. That is your lunch choice. Let's see how the portion size is. The portions do seem to look good, big, but I can only tell once I actually have it. So what do you cook with?
Oh, I usually goes down.
Alright guys, there were hundreds and hundreds of people waiting for their food at that food stall. So I'm so happy that I was able still to get my portion before they run out, and it comes nicely packaged in here. I got a baggie of rice, I got a baggie of Bicol Express, I got a nice little calamansi. Oh, let's dig in. Let's go. Oh, it's crunchy, it's spicy, it's really rich. It has some nice sweet mayonnaise in there. It's like a mixture of crunchy pork bits and gelatinous pork pieces. Egg is coming through there. Oh my god. This is so good. I can totally tell why there was such a long line for the sisig. It is absolutely delicious. And I had ticket number 94, so you can imagine how many people have been here already to eat this sisig. It was really nice. While I was standing in line waiting for my food, I met some new people. I was able to chat, talk about different food in the Philippines. I met one content creator whom we might be collabing with in the future. So, you know, you wait in line for your food, have a good time chatting to people, and then you go back to work. Wow, so when I was unpacking that food, it looked like a very small portion, but once I started eating, it became clear to me that that is a huge portion, just because it is so rich, packed full of fats and proteins. You got the rice, which is just pure carbs, so you're gonna have a portion like that, you're gonna be full for the rest of the day. I didn't even eat all the rice. And I would say that sisig is kind of a cold day meal, as we'd say in Europe. And the funny thing is, it's like 30 degrees out, I'm sweating myself off, and a lot of Filipinos have been telling me, oh, it's cold weather at the moment. Isn't that crazy? So that was my little find of the best sisig in Manila. If you guys know a better place than that place, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll be sure to try it the next time I'm in Manila, which will be in a few weeks. In any case, I'm heading back to the hotel. I'm gonna pick up my stuff. I'm moving into another place today. I need some coffee. I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, just a very quick interruption from the video. I'm zooming forward into the future where I am in Siargao with Nelly, but I just had to really quickly announce in this video that I'm super excited that we just hit 40,000 subscribers on our channel. So a huge thank you to everyone out there for watching our videos, for leaving us comments, for leaving a thumbs up on the video, and obviously for sharing these videos. Without you guys, we would have never made it this far on YouTube, and I'm so excited to go and hit the next goal, which is 50,000, and then the big goal for this year to hit 100,000 subscribers on this channel. I'm sorry it's a little bit windy, but I just had to quickly get it out. I was editing the video and we hit the 40k while I was editing, so yeah, super excited, super duper excited. One huge favor you can do us is to head over to our Instagram accounts and follow both Nelly and I on Instagram, so you'll be up to date every time that we're in a new destination, and we can also interact with you guys, ask for recommendations while we're out there, because always when we upload the videos about a week or 2 weeks later, it's too late for the recommendations for that exact location. But on Instagram, we can communicate with each other straight away. So, Mike in the past, back to you. So I just checked myself into my Airbnb for the next 2 days. Belly is full, I'm feeling good. I'm gonna head on over to a coffee shop now and drink some delicious coffee while I do the editing of this video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below that you enjoyed the video, and if you have any recommendations for other videos, that's where they belong. If you're new to this channel, obviously subscribe and turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video that I'm actually going to be filming this evening, which is the best Bicol Express in Manila.